Hello ladies, and welcome back to Fiercely Feminine, where we talk about all things femininity, faith, fashion, elegance and self-improvement. I'm sure all of you ladies have heard of hot girl summer, but this year we're all about embracing a classy girl summer. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of elegant swimwear and beachwear, essential elements for elevating our style with timeless sophistication and grace. The tips in this video will ensure that you always look classy and put together this summer, even when soaking up the sun on the beach. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, find a cozy spot to relax, and let's get started. Embrace the allure of one-piece swimsuits, a symbol of timeless elegance. Look for designs with classic cuts and sophisticated detailing. A high-cut swimsuit elongates the silhouette, while off-the-shoulder styles exude effortless charm. For a touch of allure, opt for V necklines that flatter the décolletage. In a sea of bikinis, choosing a more covered-up yet elegant option ensures that you stand out with poise and confidence. Whether in a rich jewel tone or a soft pastel hue, let your choice of one-piece swimsuit reflect your taste and refined style. Elevate your beach ensemble with the allure of flowing cover-ups, the epitome of beachside sophistication. Opt for garments crafted from lightweight, airy fabrics that cascade gracefully over your silhouette, such as a flowing maxi dress or a billowing kaftan. These cover-ups not only provide essential coverage from the sun, but also effortlessly exude an air of elegance. The gentle sway of the fabric in the ocean breeze adds feminine elegance to your beach look. Whether adorned with intricate patterns, delicate embroidery, or subtle embellishments, these chic cover-ups serve as statement pieces that elevate your beach attire to new heights of style. Shield yourself from the sun's rays while exuding timeless elegance with a wide-brimmed hat, a quintessential accessory for any beach outing. Beyond its practicality in providing sun protection, a wide-brimmed hat effortlessly infuses your beach ensemble with a touch of glamour and sophistication. Opt for neutral tones like sandy beige or a classic black for their versatility, allowing you to effortlessly coordinate with any swimwear or cover-up. The broad brim not only shields your face and shoulders from the harmful UV rays, but also adds effortless sophistication and allure to your beach look. Whether you're relaxing on the sun-warmed sands or taking a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, allow the silhouette of your wide-brimmed hat to evoke the timeless allure of old Hollywood glamour and coastal chic. Elevate your beachside allure with the perfect pair of statement sunglasses, a must-have accessory that seamlessly combines style and functionality. Opt for oversized frames or chic cat's eye designs to infuse your look with a touch of glamour and sophistication. These bold styles not only make a fashion statement but also offer protection for your eyes against the glaring sun. Quality sunglasses are essential, not only for shielding your eyes from UV rays, but also for adding a polished finish to your beach ensemble. Select frames crafted from resilient materials and equipped with UV protective lenses to guarantee not only style but also functionality. Whether adorned with subtle embellishments, sleek metal accents, or bold patterns, let your sunglasses be a captivating addition that enhances the confidence and allure of your beachwear ensemble. Embrace the timeless allure of straw accessories, essential elements that infuse your beach ensemble with an undeniable sense of charm and elegance. From a wide-brimmed straw hat to a chic woven tote bag, these accessories epitomize the classic beach aesthetic while adding a touch of refined elegance to your look. The natural texture of straw exudes effortless sophistication. Opt for a wide-brimmed hat crafted from woven straw to provide both style and sun protection, and accessorize with a straw tote bag, perfect for carrying your beach essentials in style while complementing your seaside look. Whether lounging on the sand or sipping cocktails at a beachside bar, let these woven accessories serve as timeless classics that elevate your beach attire. While bright and bold colors are equally stunning and feminine, when pressed for time and desiring an effortlessly classy look, there's an undeniable allure to the simplicity and sophistication of a neutral color palette. Opting for neutrals is always a safe bet, ensuring a timeless and refined appearance that effortlessly exudes elegance. Shades such as black, pristine whites, and soft creams create an air of understated luxury. While bright colors can certainly make a statement, there's something inherently graceful about the simplicity and versatility of neutrals, making them a favorite choice for those seeking timeless beachside elegance. When it comes to selecting beachwear that ensures both comfort and style, few options rival the breathability and elegance of linen or cotton fabrics. Opting for garments crafted from these natural materials promises a luxurious experience that keeps you cool and comfortable even in the heat of the sun. Linen, with its distinctive texture and airy feel, drapes effortlessly over the body, allowing for optimal airflow. Similarly, cotton, renowned for its softness and moisture-wicking properties, offer a natural lightweight option that is perfect for long days spent sea seaside. Beyond their practical benefits, linen and cotton fabrics also exude sophistication. Their understated elegance adds an air of refinement to your beach ensemble, effortlessly elevating your look from casual to chic. For those who appreciate a touch of intricacy, tasteful cutout designs offer a perfect balance of allure and sophistication. When selecting swimwear with cutouts, opt for pieces that feature subtle and artfully placed cutouts, adding an element of intrigue to your beach look without sacrificing elegance. These understated cutouts create visual interest, accentuating your silhouette with a hint of allure. Whether it's a delicate side cutout or a subtle keyhole detail, choose designs that enhance your curves while maintaining a sense of refinement. By embracing tasteful cutout designs, you can elevate your swimwear style with a modern twist. When packing for your beach getaway, ensure you include a stylish wrap dress. This versatile piece can take you from the beach to a seaside cafe with ease. Its flattering silhouette, cinched waist, and adjustable tie closure makes it universally flattering for all body types, while its lightweight fabric ensures comfort on sunny days. This multifunctional garment serves as the perfect beach cover-up, draping effortlessly over your swimsuit as you stroll along the shoreline or lounge by the pool. Its breathable fabric offers just the right amount of coverage while keeping you cool and stylish under the sun. When it's time to venture beyond the beach, simply accessorize your wrap dress with sandals, a classy sun hat, and statement sunglasses for an effortlessly chic look. Elevate your beach look with a hint of understated luxury by incorporating subtle metallic details into your ensemble. Seek out beachwear adorned with delicate gold or silver hardware, featuring dainty metallic accents on the belts or along the straps or neckline, adding a touch of glamour to your look. Accessorize with matching jewelry to complete your elegant beach ensemble. Embrace simplicity and sophistication with monochromatic sets that offer a unified and elegant aesthetic. Opting for a cohesive color palette from head to toe creates a harmonious and polished look that effortlessly exudes sophistication. Whether you choose a sleek black ensemble, a crisp white set, or a soft pastel hue, the minimalist approach of monochromatic sets ensures a chic and refined appearance. Furthermore, monochromatic sets offer versatility and ease of styling, allowing you to mix and match with other pieces in your wardrobe effortlessly. Elevate your beach ensemble with elegant sandals that seamlessly transition from sand to boardwalk. Whether it's classic sandals or chic slides, elevated footwear options offer both style and practicality, allowing you to navigate various terrains with poise and elegance. Opt for sandals crafted from high-quality materials like leather or suede. For more guidance on what to wear and what not to wear at the beach, be sure to check out the episode I did on shoes, which I will link in the description box below. Sun protection in style. Embrace both sun safety and style with long-sleeved rash guards that offer extra protection from harmful UV rays while exuding a sporty and chic aesthetic. Look for long-sleeve rash guards crafted from high-quality UPF-rated fabrics that offer superior sun protection. Beyond their sun protective properties, long-sleeve rash guards add a sporty and dynamic element to your beach ensemble. Their sleek and form-fitting silhouette contours the body, creating a flattering and streamlined look that enhances your silhouette. Whether you're riding the waves, playing beach volleyball, or simply lounging under the sun, long-sleeved rash guards offer a versatile solution for your seaside activities. Embrace the enduring charm of classic stripes to capture a coastal elegance aesthetic. Whether adorning your swimsuit or cover-up, stripes effortlessly elevate your beach ensemble. Classic stripes lends a timeless appeal to your beach attire. Opt for beachwear featuring sleek vertical stripes in contrasting colors for a striking visual impact that elongates the silhouette and flatters your figure. Incorporate striped swimsuits, cover-ups such as sarongs and kaftans, or breezy shirts for a chic and effortlessly stylish beach look. The beauty of classic stripes lies in their versatility and timelessness, making them a perennial favorite among beachgoers seeking a sophisticated yet laid-back aesthetic. Remember, the key to elegant beachwear is to find styles that make you feel confident and comfortable. Choose quality fabrics, pay attention to the details, and accessorize thoughtfully for a beach look that exudes femininity and grace. So here's to a classy girl summer. I hope these tips inspire you to elevate your beachwear with class and elegance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'm wishing you all a summer filled with love and joy. Until next time, stay fiercely feminine.